Good morning everyone. Happy blessed morning to you all. I want to encourage you and share you with some Bible verse. Ito ay ang 1 Peter chapter 5 verse 7. Sinasabi dito, cast all your anxiety because He cares for you. Wow, napaganda ng Bible verse, diba? Itong Bible verse na to, kung may pinagdadaanan ka man, financial, yung stress, yung family, or something na nagkakaroon ng impact sa mental health mo kaya ka nagkakaroon ng anxiety. Ito yung verse para encourage kita na leave it all to God. Surrender to Him everything you do in life, everything na pumapasok sa isipan mo, ibigay mo sa Panginoon kasi He is in control in our life. We just need to pray in every circumstances in our life. Kaya huwag tayo mawalan ng pag-asa sa buhay. Hindi niya sinabi na magkakaroon tayo ng buhay na madali lang, walang challenges. Pero sinabi ni Jesus na everything we do, every circumstances in our life, sasamahan niya tayo. Kaya I encourage you all na magpatuloy kayo. Diba G?
Oo.
Amen G, amen.
Amen.
Good morning.